According to science, we are living inside energy. People used to think that we have energy inside this body. I am not saying which is incorrect or wrong, but scientifically we are living in a reality that around us full of multiverse energy. And we can definitely connect with energy, which may take a second if we can do properly with multiverse energy flow, especially water. You can just sit, you can do different kinds of posture, dhyan, sadhana, asana, and also you can practice Shambhavi Mahamudra, breathing, pranayama, and that way you can feel the different, and definitely you will feel that you are within a balloon full of energy, which is very, very important to understand that everything around us we are experiencing or observing is full of energy. Everything is energy. Every particle, every object in this multiverse or in this earth we are experiencing is full of energy. So I would definitely asking everybody to do their self-care, going with Mother Nature, which is very important. Thank you.